The VHF wet grinding option opens up new perspectives for your Impression S models. The sophisticated techniques and user-friendly construction make handling easy. An elaborated construction of high-quality components makes installing, operating and maintaining almost effortless. An intelligent 3-level filter system ensures a perfect water circulation. The liquid level is constantly monitored by a contact-less ultrasonic sensor. The display indicates the status and also gives you an acoustic warning in case the level reaches a critical state. Our patent-pending air guiding system separates the moisture from the extracted air. Thanks to that, you can use the wet grinding option with a dry vacuum cleaner and do not need an additional device. For an ideal wet grinding operation, just add VHF Tech Liquid into the water. Insert the module insert into the housing. Then simply plug the connecting hose in and you're ready to start grinding. User-optimized software, DentalCam 5, lets you create grinding jobs with ease. Simply click on the familiar icons and let the application guide you. Efficient cooling is ensured while the workpiece is processed fast and precisely. VHF achieves high-class surface qualities in short grinding times by offering an ideal combination of hardware, software, and tools with diamond grit. A variety of relevant materials can be processed. The VHF wet grinding option, the perfect add-on for your machine.